They had the companies next to them.
Are the firemen together?
I think they're together because they had my company was together on the in the news.
Huh?
My company was together in the news on
But
this
how
thing.
is this set up? This is an alphabetical order, eh?
Benny Brunton right here. Henry Miller, yeah, this is 105 right here.
Oh, right here, look.
Hey, Cap, 105 right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, can't see with the camera.
Brunton, and it goes right down. This 230 was in the news. They had to just take pictures of the 13th there. So they have them all by company. They don't indicate who they are, but they're all together. Henry Miller and all the guys.
Actually, you know what? They do. Right here.
Right in the beginning.
Yeah, it's right. You can feel it.
Right there. And then
It's not engraved. It's like sticks out.
Ladder 7.
You can feel it right here. On the side. You couldn't notice it at first on TV either.
in the daytime, you could probably see it.
Yeah. Mind blowing. Clavecus? Right here, right?
Oh yeah.
That's Timmy's brother.
Timmy's not here. Yeah, you don't know who he's from.
Right, but how come he doesn't have one?
Maybe that's not him.
What are you looking for? The names?
No, it doesn't have like, you know, like some guys have like engine.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything extra, huh? I wonder why. Well, we're at the World Trade Center today. It's the 30th of November, 2011, with the guys from the Firehouse, Engine 304 and Ladder 162, paying respect to all the firefighters and everybody else who's passed away for this on this tragic day.